Ever wondered what factors affect your car insurance premiums? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car insurance, exploring the myriad factors that play a significant role in determining your premium. From your driving history and vehicle characteristics to your location, policy details, and even your personal attributes, there's a lot to unpack. All these elements can influence the cost of your car insurance, and understanding them is key to managing your expenses. So buckle up as we take a ride through the numerous factors that affect car insurance premiums. First up on our journey, let's delve into personal factors. Now, it might not be something you've considered before, but factors like age, gender, and marital status can indeed influence your car insurance premiums. Insurers often view younger drivers as more risky, which can lead to higher premiums. Similarly, statistics show that men tend to have more accidents than women, so gender can also play a part. Marital status, too, is a factor. Believe it or not, being married can actually lower your premiums. Who knew? Occupation and education level also come into play. Some professions are viewed as higher risk, and higher education can sometimes lead to lower premiums. Your health condition, particularly if it affects your driving ability, can also impact your premiums. Lastly, your credit history is another significant factor. Insurers often view those with good credit as less risky, leading to better rates. In essence, personal factors often play a significant role in determining your car insurance premiums. Next, we turn our wheels towards driving history and vehicle characteristics. Picture this. Your driving record is like a report card that insurers look at to assess your risk levels. If you've been involved in multiple accidents or have a history of traffic violations such as speeding tickets or a DUI, insurers may see you as high risk and your premiums could skyrocket. Now let's park that thought and shift gears to vehicle characteristics. The make and model of your car, its age, engine size, and horsepower all play an essential role. Insurers often charge more for sports cars and luxury vehicles as they are costly to replace and repair. Similarly, older cars with safety issues or cars that are more likely to be stolen can also attract higher premiums. And don't forget about your annual mileage. The more you drive, the higher the risk of an accident, and thus, the higher your premiums may be. So, your driving history and the type of vehicle you drive greatly influence your car insurance premiums. Now let's dive into the realm of location, use, and policy details. Your car's geographic location plays a crucial role in determining your insurance premiums. Urban areas with dense traffic and higher crime rates tend to have higher premiums compared to rural areas. It's not just about where you drive, but also where you park. Parking in a secure garage rather than on the street can help keep your premium down. The frequency and purpose of your car's use also matter. Cars used for business or daily commuting generally attract higher premiums than those used for pleasure. On to policy details. The types and levels of coverage you choose, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive, directly affect your premium. Your deductible amount, that is, what you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in, is inversely proportional to your premium. Opting for additional coverage options like roadside assistance can also influence the cost. Indeed, where and how you use your car, along with the details of your policy, have a significant impact on your car insurance premiums. Lastly, we'll navigate through some other key factors. Your insurance claims history is crucial. An insurance company may see a driver with numerous claims as a risk, which could lead to higher premiums. Also, the longer you've been driving, the more experience you have. This experience can be a feather in your cap, potentially lowering your premiums. On the other hand, if you've completed defensive driving courses, give yourself a pat on the back. These courses can sharpen your skills and possibly earn you a discount on your insurance. Now let's talk about your insurance provider. Each company has its own pricing policies, so it's important to shop around. A little competition in the market can be a great thing for your wallet. The usage of your vehicle also matters. A car used for commercial purposes may face different risks compared to a personal vehicle, affecting the insurance cost. Lastly, don't overlook government regulations. Local laws can have a significant impact on insurance premiums, so it's key to stay in the know. So, there you have it. By understanding these factors, you can better manage and potentially reduce your car insurance costs. Drive safe and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to insurance premiums.